Earlier I said that Agon is the spirit which guides Dibias, and it has two heads which face away from each other for a regular person. I also said during the initiation process, a Dibia will sit in isolation for several days, if not weeks, and will re-emerge when they are able to make the two faces of Agon face each other or speak to each other. When Okeagon, light consciousness from the father, and Neagon, also known as Arobinagon, nature consciousness from the mother, begin to converse, unlocking a concept known as Etu, or the mind of the creator, a universal consciousness that we all share, the way we all share oxygen and sunlight. In the Uli language, one of the ways this is symbolized by drawing two triangles converging, a symbol you will see in many Dibia's workspaces, which looks like what we now refer to as the Star of David. This is one of the many reasons that people have theorized that Igbos are Hebrews, but ironically, this isn't even a Hebrew or Jewish symbol. The star is used in mysticism to represent knowledge and power from below and knowledge and power from above, or two opposing types of knowledge converging at a single point. The earliest known use outside of Africa of this symbol was among Arab mystics, and later Islamic mystics who use it to communicate the same idea. Chinese, Hindu, and various Native American cultures use this symbol to represent something similar. Even in the Levant, or what we're now calling Israel, in the time of the Torah, the star was referred to as the Star of Remphan, and the Torah refers to it as something that Hebrews are not supposed to use, as it represents a foreign pagan god associated with the planet Saturn. It's seen as a Jewish symbol today because thousands of years later, in the 17th century, a group of Jewish intellectuals met in the Czech city of Prague in Eastern Europe and decided that this symbol would represent the Jewish people's emerging quest for a homeland in the movement known as Zionism. Now, some uses of the hexagram are rooted in Odinani Igbo, but others are rooted in various Igbo people trying to assert that they are Jewish or that Igbo people are Jewish. And this is something that started in the 1990s. And when you see it in this context, it's not referring to Arobinagon, it's referring to the state of Israel. Today, the use of it has primarily become a thing of confusion and propaganda from individuals who don't really know Igbo or Jewish history, but feel entitled to merge the two. If you want me to make a video on this whole topic, the Igbo Jewish theory, go ahead and comment below.